Today our topic is the construction of the logic gate by using the NAND gates. NAND gates are also called universal gates. Because by using different combinations of the NAND gates we can make the other logic gates. Now we will make NOT gate by using the NAND gates. NAND gate has two of the inputs and one output, that is A and B, and the output is X. The Boolean algebraic notation for the NAND gate is A dot B whole complement, or you can say the A dot B whole bar. When we convert it into NOT gate, for NOT gate there is only one input. So over here we will use only one input, that is A, and we will split it into two parts like this. So our output will be A bar or A complement. That is the output of NOT gate. So now we will use the symbol of NOT gate. Instead of this NOT gate, we will use this NOT gate that we have built by using NAND gates. The second one is NAND gates, AND gate by using NAND gates. We will use the combination. We will use two combination of the NAND gates. That is, first of all, a NAND gate with two inputs A and B, and its output will be A dot B whole bar or a whole complement. So the output of NAND gate is A dot B. For this we need to remove this complement or whole complete bar from A dot B. To remove this we will use one NOT gate to this output, so it will remove our bar. By when we will use this NOT gate, a bar will appear, it will cancel both of the bars. So A dot B now we will get A dot B, that is the output of AND gate. Third one is OR gate by using NAND gates. We will use two NOT gates that are built by using the NAND gates and one NAND gate. A bar, B bar. It is A bar is output of A, B bar is output of B. These both of the outputs will be the inputs for this NAND gate. Over here A dot B bar will be the output of this NAND gate. Now over here it is A bar dot B bar. We will apply here De Morgan's theorem. By applying De Morgan's theorem we will get the output A plus B. I am not going to prove this over here because it is not included in the syllabus of O-levels computer science. I will make another video for proving the De Morgan's law for the OR gate, but not in this video. So this is the output of OR gate.